guys, welcome to Digit.in, and we are at the India Gaming Show 2017 here in Pragati Maidan, and we are at the Samsung booth where Samsung has announced two curved gaming monitors, and I have with me Vikas, who is the sales head for India. And my first question, of course, is why curved monitors?
Yeah. So why curve is, as we all know, everything what we tend to read, we by default make it curves and we are more comfortable while reading it. So based on what a lot of research and development and the people who are really spending more time on monitors, they get fatigue.
Okay.
And since our eye is having a concave and the curvature has been made in such a fashion so that while reading, while working on monitors, I get a right comfort. That's
Okay.
first. Second thing, the curvature of this monitor has been made in such a fashion so that the distance of your retina eye goes equidistant to the extreme corners also, which gives a real feel of the right content at every corner.
Okay. So does that mean that I have to sit dead center in the middle of the monitor to get the best experience?
Not exactly, but yes, you'll get a better experience if you'll be at the center of the monitor.
Okay.
But this monitor has got a maximum viewing angle also, which gives you the same feel while you are sitting at the side also.
Okay.
There are few key features in this. One, very first thing, has got a quantum dot display technology, which gives you a 125% of RGB and a real rich color reproduction. Second thing, based on your height and comfort and a distance, you can actually have a hinge stand, which gives you a height adjustment without any much technical glitches. The third thing is, it has got a good tilt, and you can actually rotate it while playing.
Okay, so essentially the height, and usually you see that the monitors, when they have the height adjusted, it's simple up and down, but here if you see, I think you have a bit of a hinge at the back, which
actually makes it farther, closer to you, tilt. And apart from that, the two main important key things to enter into this industry is 144 Hz and response time, which is 1 millisecond moving picture response time.
Okay.
So we are here launched world's first curved gaming monitor with 144 Hz and 1 millisecond response time.
And what's the resolution of the monitor?
So it's a full HD resolution.
And the size?
Size we have launched in 24 and 27 inch.
Okay. And what are these monitors priced at in India, and where can a consumer go and buy them?
So it's a pre-launch here. So in another 3 weeks it will be launched. It will be available to every near retail shop. And tentatively the range will start from 30K onward.